Bingo Cache freezing on the loading screen can often be cleared by fully closing the app and reopening it. But if it keeps happening, the next checks are your connection, app version, and phone storage. By the end, you'll know the safest order to troubleshoot Bingo Cache when it freezes before the game even opens. First, completely close Bingo Cache, instead of repeatedly tapping the frozen screen. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Bingo Cache away. On Android, open Recent Apps and remove Bingo Cache. Then launch it again. If Bingo Cache opens normally, the freeze was temporary, and you can continue using the app. If it freezes again on startup, restart your phone. A full device restart can clear temporary system processes that prevent an app from loading correctly. After the phone restarts, open Bingo Cache before launching other demanding apps. This gives the game a clean start with fewer apps competing for system resources. Next, check your internet connection. Bingo Cache needs network access to load account and game information, so an unstable connection can leave the app stuck during startup. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then completely close Bingo Cache and launch it again. The next step is checking for an app update. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Search for Bingo Cache and install an available update. Bingo Cache recommends keeping the app updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Updating the app does not remove your account, progress, or balance. Also check your phone's available storage. On iPhone, go to A Settings General, iPhone Storage. On Android, open your device's storage settings. If your phone is extremely low on free space, clear unnecessary files or unused apps before trying Bingo Cache again. If Bingo Cache still freezes immediately after opening, don't create a new account just to test it. Your existing account contains your game information, so troubleshooting should stay with that account. Before reinstalling anything, capture a screenshot or short recording showing exactly where Bingo Cache freezes. If the app displays an error message before freezing, capture that too. If restarting the phone, checking your connection, updating Bingo Cache, and freeing storage don't solve the problem, contact Bingo Cache support. Include your device model, operating system version, Bingo Cache version, and a description of the startup screen where the freeze occurs. So the correct order is simple. Force close Bingo Cache, restart your phone, test your internet connection, update the app, and check storage. Your next step is to completely close Bingo Cache and reopen it before changing your account or reinstalling the app. If this fixed your Bingo Cache startup freeze, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.